Osteoporosis may be caused by dash. Answer is prolonged immobility. Allopurinol is used to treat gout because answer is decrease uric acid production. Intramedullary nailing is used in treatment of dash. Answer is fracture of the shaft of the femur. After total hip replacement surgery, avoid placing the client in a dash position. Answer is orthopnic position. The joint most likely to be involved in a client with osteoarthritis are answer is hip and knees. The primary consideration when caring for a client with rheumatoid arthritis is answer is comfort. The laboratory test for diagnosis of arthritis is answer is anti-nuclear body. For the diagnosis of multiple myeloma, the best test done is answer is Bence-Jones protein. A client with osteoporosis is vulnerable to answer pathologic fracture. Dexamethasone may be administered to a client after a stroke to dash. Answer is to reduce intracranial pressure. A screening test for detection of gastric achlorhydria is answer is 2+ gastric analysis. A temporary ileostomy is changed. Answer is every 3 to 4 days. The systemic lupus erythematosus is a disease of dash. Answer is connective tissue. A client with Parkinson's disease may exhibit answer is a flattened affect. The most common manifestation of a herniation of a lumbar disc is answer is pain radiating to hip and leg. The foot drop can be prevented by the use of answer is splint. A client with dysphagia may experience difficulty in dash. Answer is swallowing. Permanent ileostomy should be changed. Answer is every 3 to 4 years. Why bleeding occurs after ileostomy? Answer is lack of vitamin K synthesis. Name the colostomy performed on a temporary basis. Answer is transverse colostomy. A procedure for injecting a radiopaque substance into the duct of salivary gland is known as answer is xylogram. Absence of peristalsis in the esophagus is dash. Answer is achalasia. Bulging of esophageal mucosa through weakened portion is known as dash. Answer is esophageal verticulum. An ulcer developed in the site of anastomosis is dash. Answer is marginal ulcer. An abscess develops around the root of tooth is called dash. Answer is periapical abscess. The causative organism of Vincent's angina is dash. Answer is Bacillus fusiformis. Deep infection of the tissue of floor of the mouth is called dash. Answer is Ludwig's angina. When the client awakens with abdominal pain at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., this condition is usually diagnosed as dash. Answer is peptic ulcer. Drugs used to decrease gastric motility are dash. Answer is anticholinergics. Main symptom of an acute attack of ulcerative colitis is dash. Answer is diarrhea. A cyst in sacrococcygeal area lined with hair and epithelial cells is dash. Answer is pilonidal cyst. Chamatochezia is dash. Answer is fresh blood in stool. Tarry stool is evidence of dash. Gastric hemorrhage. A condition of peptic ulcer with non-insulin producing islet cells of tumor of pancreas is dash. Answer is Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. An outpouching of mucosa resulting in high intracolonic pressure is dash. Answer is diverticulosis. Obstruction occurs as a twisting of intestine is known as dash. Answer is volvulus. An inflammatory sinus or tract with primary opening in anal canal is dash. Answer is anal fistula. Crohn's disease otherwise called as dash. Answer is regional enteritis. The procedure done for interruption of pain conducting pathway in spinal cord is known as dash. Answer is cordotomy. The Troussey sign elicit dash. Answer is hypocalcemia. Lactated ringer solution is known as Hartmann's solution. Dumping syndrome is a complication of dash. Answer is gastric resection. Kimmel-Steele-Wilson syndrome is dash. Answer is diabetic nephropathy. The most common complication during the first 24 hours following an amputation is dash. Answer is hemorrhage. The type of membrane that lines the knee joint. Answer is synovial joint. Rehabilitation of a patient undergoing amputation should start dash. Answer is on admission. Initial drug of choice in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis is. Answer is salicylates. The arthritis affecting the spine and sacroiliac joints is dash. Answer is ankylosing spondylitis. The arthritis caused by deposit of sodium urate crystals in the joints is known as dash. Answer is gout. The standard drug used in the treatment of gout is dash. Answer is colchicine. A serious complication of rheumatic fever is dash. Answer is rheumatic heart disease. Inflammation of connective tissue sac about a joint is known as dash. Answer is bursitis. Scleroderma means dash. Hard skin. Reconstruction of a joint is known as dash. Answer is arthroplasty. Still's disease is dash. Answer is atrophic arthritis. General method of testing muscle stress reflexes is through mechanical stimulation of the muscle spindles, though stretching, and by tapping a tendon or a bone by flipping a digit is known as dash. Answer is Hoffman's sign. Difficulty in controlling the range of muscular movements is. Answer is dysmetria. Most common form of skin traction is dash. Answer is buck's extension traction. A serious complication that may follow a fracture is dash. Answer is fat embolism. The most widely used form of skin traction is dash. Answer is Russell traction. The hip joint is a dash. Answer is ball and socket type. Infection of bone by pyogenic bacteria is known as dash. Answer is osteomyelitis. Osteoporosis may be caused by dash. Answer is prolonged immobility. A client with osteoporosis is vulnerable to dash. Answer is pathologic fractures. The primary consideration when caring for a client with rheumatoid arthritis is. Answer is comfort. The laboratory test that the nurse should refer in reference to the diagnosis of arthritis is dash. Answer is antinuclear antibody. After total hip replacement surgery, the nurse should avoid placing the client dash. Answer is on the affected side. Eardrops should be instilled dash. Answer is at body temperature. Test used for diagnosing of vestibular disease. Answer is electronystagmography. Hearing loss results from disease in the inner ear. Answer is conductive deafness. Incision into the eardrum is known as dash. Answer is myringotomy. A progressive condition in which normal bone of the inner ear is replaced by abnormal osseous tissue. Answer is otosclerosis. Hearing loss due to aging is known as dash. Answer is presbycusis. A condition occur in the inner ear due to increased production or decreased absorption of endolimb. Answer is Meniere's disease. The synovial fluid of the joints minimizes dash. Answer is friction in the joints. Compact bone is stronger than cancellous bone because of its greater dash. Answer is density. The appropriate temperature range for compresses would be. Answer is 98 degree to 105 degree Fahrenheit. The risk of osteoporosis is increased when a client. Answer is receives long-term steroid therapy. Surgical procedure for otosclerosis is known as dash. Answer is stapedectomy. The process of increasing eardrum to promote drainage is called dash. Answer is myringotomy. While doing an ear irrigation in an adult, the earlobe is lifted upward and backward. The patient returns to the unit fully awake following bronchoscopy and biopsy. The nurse should answer is evaluate the presence of gag reflex. When a client has tracheostomy tube and is on ventilator, the tracheostomy tube must answer is have a low pressure cuff. When performing tracheostomy care, nurse must answer is maintain sterile technique during the procedure. The part of ear which contains receptors for hearing is answer is cochlea. The most important point in nursing care of a patient after tracheostomy is answer oxygen administration. The surgery done for chronic sinusitis is known as answer is Caldwell-Luck procedure. When assessing a patient with Meniere's disease, the nurse should expect the patient to experience dash answer is nystagmus. When performing tracheal suctioning for a patient with tracheostomy, the nurse should answer is pre-oxygenate the patient before suctioning. When a patient has tracheostomy and is receiving mechanical ventilation, the nurse must be sure to check the cuff of tracheostomy tube, which answer is should allow only a slight air leak at the height of inspiration. When teaching parents about handling a child's attack of croup at home, the nurse recognizes that any action taken must be directed toward answer is interruption of the spasm. When assessing a child with croup, the nurse would expect to find answer is laryngospasm, barking cough. One of the most common causes of nosebleed is dash answer is picking of the nose. Reconstruction of the external nose is termed as answer is rhinoplasty. A new method of cataract removal is called phacoemulsification. The cytologic test used for detection of cancer of the cervix is Papa-Nicolau test. Prolonged profuse menstrual flow during regular period is known as menorrhagia. The examination of the angle of anterior chamber of the eye with a magnifying device is known as dash answer is gonioscopy. The drugs which contract pupil is known as myotics. Surgery to correct strabismus must be performed before 6 months. Removal of the contents of the eye with retention of sclera is termed evisceration. The drug of choice in the treatment of Trichomonas vaginitis is answer is metronidazole. During the ovulation phase of menstrual cycle, ovulation is caused by secretion of dash answer is luteinizing hormone. The non-surgical treatment of strabismus is dash answer is orthoptics. The large amount of progesterone secreted during the secretory phase of menstrual cycle is responsible for dash answer is sustaining the thick endometrium of the uterus. Bleeding between menstrual period is known as metrorrhagia. A yeast infection caused by Candida albicans is dash answer is monilial vaginitis. The most common organism causing pelvic inflammatory disease is dash answer is gonococcus. A condition in which spontaneous abortion occurs in 3 or more consecutive pregnancies is answer is habitual abortion. The condition in which a fold of vagina which may protrude outside the vaginal orifice is answer is colpoceal. The repair for cystocele is known as anterior colporrhaphy. A tumor mass of chorionic cells in the uterus that mistakes as pregnancy. Answer is hydatidiform mole. Salpingectomy means removal of fallopian tube. The most common complication that can occur after tonsillectomy is dash answer is bleeding. An early symptom of cancer of vocal cords. Answer is hoarseness. The ability to adjust vision from far to near objects. Answer is accommodation. Normal eye refers to emmetropia. A condition caused by irregular curvature of cornea. Answer is astigmatism. The drugs which block accommodation. Answer is cycloplegics. The common infections of the follicle of an eyelash. Answer is stye. Inflammation of the cornea is termed as Answer is keratitis. An eye disease characterized by increased intraocular pressure. Answer is glaucoma. Retinopathy of prematurity is known as. Answer is retrolentral fibroplasia. The highly malignant congenital neoplasm that arises from retina is known as. Answer is retinoblastoma. The surgical removal of entire eye is known as. Answer is enucleation. The defect of accommodation which occurs in advancing age. Answer is presbyopia. When assessing a client with primary open-angle glaucoma, the ocular symptom the nurse should expect the client to exhibit is. Answer is constant blurred vision. The nurse should know that discharge teaching for a client with glaucoma was effective when the client states, I should. Answer is restrict my fluid intake. A form of conjunctivitis occurred due to viral infection of conjunctiva. Answer is trachoma. The surgery performed for retinal detachment is scleral buckling. The other term for farsightedness. Answer is hyperopia. Distance vision is usually determined by the use of dash. Answer is Snellen chart. An instrument used to measure intraocular pressure is. Answer is tonometer. Neoplasms that occur in the choroid and iris of adults. Answer is melanomas. A venereal disease caused by Ducre's bacilli. Answer is cancroid. A venereal disease caused by a spirochete. Answer is syphilis. Dilation of spermatic vein is known as. Answer is varicocele. The hormones responsible for the proliferation phase of menstruation are. Answer is follicle stimulating hormone and estrogen. The hormones responsible for the menstrual cycle are. Answer is gonadotropin, estrogen and progesterone. A woman menstruates regularly every 30 days. Her last menses started on January 1st. She will most probably ovulate again on dash. Answer is January 17th. Spermatogenesis occurs dash. Answer at the time of puberty. Gram-negative diplococci found in vaginal smear are presumed to be dash. Answer is gonococci. When receiving a douche, the best position for a client to assume would be the dash. Answer dorsal recumbent position. Acute salpingitis is most commonly the result of dash. Answer is gonorrhea. The most common site for cancer cell growth in the cervix is at the dash. Answer is columnosquamous junction of internal and external OS. A manifestation of cancer of cervix that should have brought the client to the gynecologist is dash. Answer is blood spotting after intercourse. Syphilis is not considered contagious in the dash. Answer is tertiary stage. When caring for a client who has a radium implant for cancer of cervix, the nurse should dash. Answer is restrict the visitors to a 10-minute stay. A disease that can arise from normal microbial flora, especially after prolonged antibiotic therapy. Answer is candidiasis. When a client is diagnosed as having gonorrhea, the nurse should expect the physician to order dash. Answer is penicillin. Erosions of the cervix are common when the normal acidity of the vagina is altered. The term condylomata acuminata refers to dash. Answer is venereal warts. The main blood supply to the uterus is directly from dash. Answer is uterine and ovarian arteries. The test that the physician might perform to determine the underlying cause of uterine pain is. Answer is laparoscopy. The organism that causes trichomonal infection is a. Answer is protozoan. A patient with prolapsed uterus is scheduled for vaginoplasty preoperatively. The nurse may expect to encourage ambulation, apply moist compresses, elevate the foot of the bed, manipulate procedentia. Answer is apply moist compresses. Purulent lesions of the skin involving sebaceous glands and hair follicles. Answer is boils. Non-inflammatory condition of the skin is termed as, answer is dermatosis. The temperature of water for a tepid bath, answer is 80 degree to 93 degree Fahrenheit. Local hot and cold application stands for temperature to and from the body by dash. Answer is conduction. Cholesterol is important in the human body for dash. Answer is cellular membrane structure. A client with psoriasis should be assessed for dash. Answer is shiny scaly lesions. A superficial skin disease produced by streptococci in association with staphylococci. Answer is impetigo. Baths used for the treatment of psoriasis. Answer is tar bath. Diffuse inflammation of soft tissue beneath the skin and mucous membrane. Answer is cellulitis. Candidiasis of mucous membrane is known as, answer is thrush. A small growth caused by a virus that lodges in the skin. Answer is wart. Superficial fungal skin infection are known as dash. Answer tinea. Causative organism of scabies. Answer is Sarcoptes scabies. A skin condition characterized by enormous vesicles. Answer is pemphigus. The most common important aspect of hand washing is, answer is friction. The client with unresolved edema will most likely develop dash. Answer is tissue ischemia. When caring for a client with scabies, the nurse should aware that scabies is dash. Answer is highly contagious. A skin graft that is taken from another portion of a client's own body part is known as autograft. An effective first aid treatment for an alkali burn is to flush it with water and then with a weak acid. Scleroderma is caused by dash. Answer is autoimmunity. To evaluate fluid loss due to burns, the nurse should monitor the dash. Answer is hematocrit. A pigskin graft may be applied to burned areas. This graft is known as dash. Answer is heterograft. The first aid treatment for acid burns on the skin is to flush them with water and then apply a solution of sodium dash. Answer is bicarbonate. A rare malignant disease that originates in the reticuloendothelial cells of skin. Answer is myositis fungoides. Mycosis fungoides. A skin disorder resulting from decreased circulation to the skin. Answer is psoriasis dermatitis. Flat spot on the skin less than 1 cm is termed as dash. Answer macule. Leather-like thickening of outer skin layer is called dash. Answer is lichenification. Fluid-filled sac less than 1 cm is called dash. Answer is vesicle. Raised mass on the skin of 1 to 2 cm is called dash. Answer is nodule. A skin disorder characterized by elevated erythematous, sharply circumscribed scaling plaques. Answer is psoriasis. Causative organism of gas gangrene. Answer is Clostridium perfringens. Stiffness of the neck and spasm of facial muscle in tetanus is known as dash. Answer is Rhizus sardonicus. The drug which is effective against a wide variety of pathogenic gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. Answer is garamycin. An infection that involves the soft tissue of the fingertip is called, answer is phelon. A zoonotic disease. Options are plague, tetanus, trachoma, leprosy. Answer is plague. The drug of choice for treatment of leprosy is dash. Answer is dapsone. Kala Azar is caused by, answer is sandfly. An infection involving the soft tissues around and underneath the nail is called, answer is paranoia. Erosion of the skin is known as dash. Answer is ulcer. Causative organism of plague. Answer is Y. pestis. Foodborne infections affecting both men and animal is termed as dash. Answer is salmonellosis. The incubation period of tetanus. Answer is 6 to 10 days. The chemotherapeutic agents used in the treatment of cancer cause dash. Answer is bone marrow depression. A complication of prolonged use of steroid medication. Answer is elevated C-reactive protein. A serious side effect of gold salts in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Answer is kidney damage. The drug of choice in rheumatoid arthritis is answer is aspirin. Before giving digoxin, the nurse should obtain dash. Answer apical heart rate. A patient is on the floor after ascertaining that the person is unresponsive. The nurse should answer is call for assistance. The most important complication that can occur after mastectomy. Answer is lymphedema. Pain in the breast is termed as answer is mastodynia. Aesthetic surgery for hypoplastic breast are called answer is augmentation mammoplasty. The most common problem affecting women's breast answer is fibrocystic disorder. Breast cancer is more likely to occur answer is in the left breast. Most common surgical procedure for breast cancer answer is modified radical mastectomy. The major principle in the case of burned person answer is fluid replacement, airway and prevention of infection. When assessing a client experiencing pain, the nurse should be alert for signs of involuntary reaction to pain, which is dash. Answer is perspiration. Principles underlying radiotherapy is answer is malignant cells are more sensitive to radiation than normal cells. The mode of transmission of infective hepatitis is answer is ingestion. Most important objective during the early postburn phase is to answer is replace fluid volume. Various degrees of abortion are as follows except options are threatened, inevitable, incomplete, septic. Answer is septic. Cause of blindness in the alcohol tragedy of 2000 is methyl alcohol. The Schick test is used for determination of a person's susceptibility to dash. Answer is diphtheria. Which of these effects is expected following the administration of mediatic medication? Answer dilation of pupils. A client with osteomyelitis has been immobilized for 3 weeks. He may develop renal calculi as a complication because answer is lack of muscle action and normal tension cause calcium withdrawal from bone. The impairment of language is answer is aphasia. The medication that a burn client usually receives soon after admission answer is tetanus toxoid. The most important diagnostic test in malaria answer is smear of peripheral blood. The incubation period of chickenpox is answer is 12 to 21 days. The incubation period of syphilis is answer is 1 to 8 days. A patient with tetanus is to continue taking ampicillin after discharge. The nurse should explain the need to dash. Answer is continue the drug until the negative culture is obtained. To assist the medical team in prescribing an effective antibiotic, the most valuable test is dash. Answer is sensitivity test. Decreased gas exchange in the lungs resulting from interference with respiration. Answer is asphyxia. A fracture of the skull is usually accompanied by dash. Answer is loss of consciousness. Sudden muscle pains caused by excessive loss of sodium chloride in perspiration. Answer is heat cramps. The full thickness burns means dash. Answer is 3rd degree burns. Hypovolemic phase of burns lasts for dash. Answer is 48 to 72 hours. The major characteristic of hypovolemic phase of burn is dash. Answer is fluid shift from vascular compartment to interstitial compartment. The diuretic phase of burns begins dash. Answer is 48 to 72 hours.